Discover the Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating pizza oven. It's the fast and easy way to bake fresh or frozen pizza, thin or rising crust. Plus, it prepares convenience foods like frozen chicken wings, jalapeno poppers, fish fillets, egg rolls, and more. The Pizzazz Plus features a rotating tray that turns continuously for even baking. While ordinary ovens are heating, you're eating. No need to preheat. Simply set the timer and it begins to bake. The top and bottom heating elements bake food from both sides, quickly and evenly, and they're separately controlled. Select the top, bottom, or both elements for perfect results every time. Use the bottom element to make a crispier crust, or the top element for a bubblier topping. And with the open oven design, it's easy to see when the pizza is done just the way you like it. The timer signals when cooking time is complete and automatically turns the heating elements off. With the non-stick baking pan removed, cleaning and storage is easy. The Pizzazz Plus doesn't heat up your kitchen and can save as much as 60% in energy compared to a conventional oven. Chicken nuggets, quesadillas, grilled sandwiches, even cookies and cinnamon rolls. And of course, pizza! Delicious! The Pizzazz Plus rotating pizza oven from Presto.
We are about to unbox our Pesto Pizza Plus. What is it? This is an amazing pizza maker, and we are going to make pizza too. So let's get the box open. Get all the parts out of it and get it all set up. So, ooh, okay, this is so cool. So this just installs very easily over here. Gotta get it into. And it slowly goes around. So we have it. There are a number of settings. You can select the time. So the numbers that are marked here are 20, 16, 12, 8, 4, and 0. So you just turn it to wherever you would like it to start it. So you can have it heat only coming from the lower part, from the upper, which is on the other side, or dual in the middle. And you can see it is rotating around. We are making a scrumptious, delicious, wonderful pizza using our Presto Pizza Plus. We just need to place it in. Once you get it in the right place, once you can see, it's very easy to get it into the right place. So here in the wonderful instruction manual, tells you all the wonderful things, the timer, the where do you want the heat to come from, and then it also tells you how long. So this is just a regular crust pizza with toppings. So it tells you to put it on. Okay, so this is so cool. You have to look at the booklet. So it is going to take about 12 minutes. So let's turn it on over there. And then, so for regular crust pizza, you put it on dual for 12 to 15 minutes. So let's get it on to a plate so I can show it to you guys. I think this might be the easiest way to do it. How amazing is that? The crust is crispy, the cheese is melty. Absolutely love, love, love this. Yes, oh my goodness, I'm gonna just get a big piece just to show you. Look at that. Is that not absolutely perfect? That looks like you just went to a restaurant and ordered it, and we didn't. We made it right here on Sway TV.
The Pizza Maker Plus from Betty Crocker is a fast, fun, and energy-efficient way to create homemade pizzas or flatbreads with your own fresh toppings in just minutes. You'll get 12-inch pizzas with a delicious and crispy crust every time. It's also great for making a variety of quick meals and creative snacks with minimal preparation, like nachos, quesadillas, and even giant cookies. With its non-stick surface, it will always save you time in the kitchen.